Losing weight quickly is not easy, and most of the time the solution is only temporary. You no doubt need to find ways to lose weight fast. If you don't control your diet and other habits, chances are that you will put on weight in a matter of days. In this article we are going to discuss some ways to lose weight fast and how to maintain it at that level. Before we get started, if you'd like to see how a young mum used a secret hack to lose 84 pounds in just 2 weeks, click the link in the description. 1. Method 1 provides us with ways to lose weight fast. You must eat more vegetables and fruits. Don't eat foods that contain too much fat, especially sweets and junk food. If you don't like to exercise, try going for a walk about an hour after eating a meal. Make it a habit to do an activity each day that requires extreme energy input. Unless you eat healthily, no matter what other ways to lose weight fast you try, they will fail. 2. Tip 2 provides us with yet more ways to lose weight fast. Eat diet foods, but don't forget the effectiveness of a balanced diet. Drinking green tea after every meal is a natural way of losing weight without much effort. If you don't like the taste of it, you can also use green tea nutritional supplements as ways to lose weight fast. 3. Tip 3 is yet another great couple of ways to lose weight fast. Don't drink soda and other carbonated soft drinks. 4. If a friend or family member is also trying to find ways to lose weight fast, make your timetable together. It can be easier for 2 people to find ways to lose weight fast together. 5. Muscle building is also a way of burning fat. Muscles are smaller and therefore do not show up like fat does. You can keep a pair of dumbbells in your room and try to lift them for a few minutes each day to develop biceps. This activity will also increase the metabolism rate and release energy instantly. Dumbbells are one of the great ways to lose weight fast. 6. Avoid fried meat and grilled food. Instead, include vegetables, soup and salads in your diet. Again, changing your diet is one of the best ways to lose weight fast. 7. Don't eat too much at once. Make a timetable of eating 5 or 6 meals a day. While eating, make a mental note of how much you have eaten instead of talking to someone or watching TV. Change your diet and you will find new ways to lose weight fast. 8. Check your weight regularly and monitor your progress. If you have set a goal to lose a certain amount of weight in a week, then see that you are able to achieve it. You need to be determined to lose weight. If you see that you have lost weight, it will motivate you and provide yet another ways to lose weight fast. 9. If you are addicted to chocolates or cookies, don't stop eating them at once. Instead, try to cut down on their intake gradually. Diet is responsible for your weight, cut it out gradually is another group of ways to lose weight fast. Hopefully the tips above will help you find ways to lose weight fast. Once you've found one of the many ways to lose weight fast, make sure you stick with it and maintain your weight. Everybody is different, and so what works as ways to lose weight fast for one person may not always for another. If you experience any discomfort when using any of the ways to lose weight fast, then see your doctor. Don't forget, if you'd like to see how a young mum used a secret hack to lose 84 pounds in just 2 weeks, click the link in the description.